Welcome back. So we have one more problem that I need to fix before we can really dive into testing, and that is actually we need to kind of get a location repository somehow. And since I don't have a new location repository anywhere, I can't do that right now. Now I could create it, but I know as a developer again, if I create this, it needs to be put inside the infrastructure adapter right here, and I don't want a reference for that guy inside my testing because I want the testing to be only around the core. So as soon as I start adding this to the infrastructure adapter, I'll start having a problem that I start getting knowledge about this guy in my test. I don't want that. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called mock, because MOQ, mock, can actually help us. Let me just write the name right here. Mock can actually help us create fake implementation classes from interfaces. So let's just get that into the system as well. Go to the Explorer, I'm going to the test area, I'm going to manage NuGet packages, and I'm going to look for a framework called MOQ, mock. It's right here. I'm going to implement that class, Gajumi McBourne. It's going to be installed, and this means that now I can actually start using this mock framework, okay? Now what does the mock framework do for me? Let's jump back to the code. Instead of creating an actual implementation right here of this repository, I can now fake it. Now of course, this is not where I want to do it. I still want this to be null to kind of do the test, but just to show you how easy it is, let's just make a new mock right here. New mock of the type iLocation repository, and then get the object. Okay, so now this is actually a fake implementation of this repository, right? Of this interface right here. So now I don't need to make an implementation of that. Now I can actually just use the mock framework to do whatever an iLocation repository can do. Right now it can't do anything, so I can't really prove it to you. But next lesson we're going to try and make the first method for this guy, which is going to be our create method, and there we're going to start using this mock for something valuable. So I'm going to hide this for now, make it back to null, and next lesson we'll start using this mock framework, and I'll try and prove to you how to actually work with it. That's it for this lesson. See you next time.